In this video, we'll be showing you how to do Excel automation. Excel automation involves executing tasks within Microsoft Excel automatically without the process being visible to the user. This includes actions such as data input, sheet modification, and cell formatting. This tutorial covers Excel automation, demonstrating how to copy and format the data from an Excel column into an existing Excel file. First, click New Project button to create a new project in the workspace. Here we put Tutorial as the project name. Click the plus icon to create a folder under the project. Click Open Workspace icon to open the workspace. You can start your automation process now. We will do Excel automation process. Click Excel and choose Add New Sheet. This action is to add a new sheet to an Excel file. Next, choose Color Cell. This function is to color the cell in Excel file. Choose Import Data by Column. This action to import data column from one Excel to another. Then, choose Cell Format. This action is to set the format for a range of cells in an Excel file. Drag the arrow to connect the process of the automation. Now, click Add New Sheet to fill in the parameter. Put the Excel file name where you want to add the new sheet. Enter name of the new sheet to be added. Click Apply to save the information. Click Color Cell. Put Excel file name with your file path of the Excel file. Put sheet name with the name of the Excel sheet. Put cell start with the first cell of the cell range. Put cell end with the last cell of the cell range. Set the color for the cell. Click Import Data by Column. Put source Excel file name with the file path of the Excel file that you want to copy, or put the sheet name with sheet name of the source Excel sheet. Put the column with the column you want to copy. Click the header to specify whether to import it or not. Put target Excel file name with the file path of the target Excel file. Put the sheet name with sheet name of the target Excel sheet. Put column with the column you want to paste the data. Click Format Cell. Fill Excel file name with the file path of the Excel file you want to format. Fill sheet name with the name of the Excel sheet. Put cell start with the first cell of the cell range. Put cell end with the last cell of the cell range. Specify the cell format with the format you want to set for the cell range. Before we save and run the workspace, here is the file before the automation. This is the file containing the columns we want to copy. This is the file where we want to paste and format the column. Click Save and run the workspace. Click Start and tick the box of Show Output to see if the output process is successful or not. Wait for the process to be completed. This is the file after the automation is complete, where the data has been pasted and formatted. The process of automation is successful.